Okay, so the first day of bike week here in 2020, I decided to go to Titusville, Miracle City, Harley-Davidson down there. They were having music, some food trucks, you paid for your food, but a free bike wash, and with bikini girls. Not that that was important. But anyway, I got the bike wash, but it was really not a good job, but she did get a good tip. So let me give you the boring part, the ride over there, and then to the event. Okay, here we are, pulling in the parking lot. Got the police there on the left. Guess we can feel protected. I got here early. It was running from 12 to 5, so it really hadn't built up yet. There are plenty of bikes here for sale. They got them lined up on the left. Got a couple out front. Some salespeople there. There was a girl there that I had talked to earlier in the week. Tents here on the right with some tables and benches like so you can sit. Bike wash locations on the left. The sign just said bike washes from 12 to 5. The event was running from that. So like I say, I'm here early, not too many people. But I didn't know whether it was free or what it was. I found out after I got there that it was free after they washed it. Burger and fry place on the left, some vendors, a real estate, some oil thing. Barbecue place there on the left. I had a nice pulled pork sandwich. It was pretty good. So it was still a little early. People kept coming in as we were going on there. But anyway, I decided on the bike wash. So anyway, pulled in and here's your bike washer. I left the bike to be washed and went over and got me a pork pulled sandwich. There's the lubricant salesman, there's the real estate. It was early, there weren't a lot of people, you have to more come before the day was over. And then I went back to get my bike, and the bike wash was lousy despite a $20 tip. So give us a thumbs up if you like, subscribe if you like, and we'll see you in another video. Thank you.